Got your rear seat. Folds down to make a pickup truck for you. Lithium system and charger inside. Turn signals. Got your hazards. Has a horn. State of charge. Electronic key switch. Got your turn signals. Left front. Left rear. And right front. And your right rear. Horn right there. Turn the stock to hit your very bright LED headlights. And then running tail lights. Has brake lights as well. Push that brake pad, that'll engage the tail lights. Right here will be your flashers. See your front. We're in forward. Hit your accelerator.